Chinese virus. Now, were you offended by Donald Trump's tweet? Now, I'm not going to tell anybody how they should or shouldn't be offended by something, but let's just put things into perspective. Now, did Donald Trump's racist tweet place you and your family members into a concentration camp? Did Donald Trump's racism take your kids away from you to be forcefully adopted away? Did Donald Trump's racism illegally harvest your organs? Did Donald Trump's racism forcefully abort your baby? Did Donald Trump's racism gang rape you? Did Donald Trump's racism forcefully sterilize you? Did Donald Trump's racism stop you from following your religion? Did Donald Trump's racism stop you from following your culture? Did Donald Trump's racism kill a member of your family? Did Donald Trump's racism make you work in a labor camp for some of the biggest brands in the world? Now, I'm not saying not to be offended by Donald Trump's tweet or what he says. You have all the right in the world. But that's all you're ever going to be. Offended, upset, angry. Now, the things that I've just mentioned above is currently being committed by the biggest racist in the world, General Secretary of China, Xi Jinping. He's committing these atrocities against the Uyghurs of East Turkestan, aka Xinjiang province in China. Now, by all means, be upset, angry, offended at Donald Trump. But at the same token, or 100 or 1,000 times more, you should be offended and be calling out the crimes being committed against humanity, against General Secretary Xi Jinping of China.